everything changes.
Hey everybody, welcome in. My name is Casey, the Rockstarflipper, and those of you that are new to this video and maybe seeing it from a promotional standpoint, I'm a reseller on eBay, Amazon, Poshmark, Shopify, and other websites, and I use a fantastic app called PhotoRoom to edit my photos with an instant white background. I did a video and I did some informational products on this earlier in the year in 2020. It's now May 2020, and I want to update this and make sure everybody's aware of the fantastic app PhotoRoom. It's currently for the iPhone, iPad, iOS platform. It's coming for Android very, very soon. So make sure you do keep this video, bookmark it, and keep checking the Android store. I'll try to get an updated date of release for the Android platform, and I'll put it down in the comments section as soon as I have it. There's a fantastic team behind PhotoRoom, and what PhotoRoom does is allow you to take a photo of any item on any background, and with one click, turn your background white. Why a white background? Well, Google SEO and other search engines prefer a white background because it allows them to focus on the item and allows all of the background noise to be filtered out, thus giving your item a better search result in Google or any other SEO search engine results. When you place those items on platforms like eBay, Amazon, Poshmark, or Shopify, they actually prefer to have those all white backgrounds as it allows the search engine to crawl their sites and put your items up higher in the search. In fact, Amazon requires your items to have a white background only, and eBay is encouraging it in their own platform as well. So PhotoRoom, let me take you over to my iPad. I'm gonna show you how to take a picture, and I'm gonna show you exactly what one-click white backgrounds look like and how quickly you can do it in just a matter of seconds. So let's take a look at PhotoRoom. Hopefully you enjoy it. If you do, I'll link PhotoRoom down below. Again, it's iPhone, iPad, iOS only. Make sure you download it. Make sure you mention Rockstar on their affiliate page and on their review page. Let them know I sent you and give them a good review in the App Store if you enjoy it. So let's go head over there and check out the app right now. Okay, so here is a picture I just took of a remote control that I am selling on eBay or possibly Amazon. Went ahead and took the picture on just a regular wood table. You can see it's a black remote wood table. So when I go ahead and open up my PhotoRoom app, and you guys can see this is what it looks like. Here is the app logo. It looks like a P and an R together, kind of purple and blue, so you know what to download. So we go ahead and open that up. We choose that same photo of that remote. And now that the remote is uploaded, we have a ton of classic backgrounds, all black. We can do checkered, but we're gonna go ahead and do the white background, and boom, that's it. One click, we have an all white background. And then you have the option, you can go ahead and click that top corner right there, and you can hit to save it to your camera roll. Now, it is gonna have a watermark down in the corner. If you want, you can pay for premium to get rid of that photo watermark, but you know what? Advertising PhotoRoom, nothing wrong with that. You have permission to do so. PhotoRoom, awesome app. Let other sellers know about it. Leave it in there, edit it out, whatever you wanna do, pay for the premium. That's what it looks like. PhotoRoom, a fantastic app. One click, you cannot get better backgrounds faster than you will at PhotoRoom, just like that. And it's coming for the Android soon. Again, I'll put it down in the comments section. I'll put in the description box all of the download links, everything you need to know about PhotoRoom. Check it out below. For all of you watching or that are new to this channel, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you to Matthew and the team over at PhotoRoom. I appreciate all of their support. And make sure you go download and leave them some positive 5-star reviews in the App Store. It's a fantastic app. They put in a ton of work, and it saves a ton of time. Time is money, guys, and if you want to make more money, have better photos, and get them up quicker, make sure you use PhotoRoom. There it is. I will see you guys in the next video. Have a wonderful night.